What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Shakespeare. This is a heartfelt message of surviving the storm and why Filipinos are some of the most resilient people on the face of the earth. What are some of your concerns after the storm now?
Concern. Please do.
It's okay Tagalog. It's okay for Tagalog.
Gawin ang riprap sa amin. That is the lowest part of all. Up there already high. Oh, this is one as soon as possible. Do it now. Yes, that is a couple of years na, We are sacrificing for this.
Can you introduce yourself to the camera?
I am Pasita Dineros Rodriguez, residing in Ostero Street, Iraya Sur, UAS.
How have you managed to stay strong through all of these kinds of problems?
Of all the problems over and over, the same when the storm come, relax, and I was just sitting there up there looking for the water flowing over there.
How have you remained so strong during all of
Keep silent, looking up, tama na, stop the rain please lang, that's all. I was there upstairs in the balcony looking for the water floating.
If you could share one message with the people around the world about the life here, what would your message to the rest of the world be?
Dapat, ay in Tagalog na.
Tagalog, opo.
Dapat, yung may mga diferensya sa atin na nagdating na kalamidad, gawin ka agad yung gaya ng nangyari sa amin matagal na, gawin ka agad as soon as possible. Kasi ang tubig, wala kang laban sa tubig. Kaya kami nasanay na for the previous years ng bagyo, pero this is the worst. What happened here?
What do you wish people understood about the Filipino spirit?
Yes, sana yung mga Pilipino na assign sa buong mundo na may Pilipino, tumulong man lang kahit sa maliit na paraan sa ganitong may kalamidad. Lalong-lalo na yung walang-wala, yun ang kawawa, yun ang tulungan. Kami matatanda na. I'm 86 years old. Oh, laban lang kami, lakas lang ng loob. Kasi kung mahina ang loob mo, wala. Talagang desperado ka na. Yun lang yung tulungan yung wala. Ang Pilipinas, tulungan nila. Sa kawawa, maraming kawawa sa Pilipinas eh. Oh, yun lang yung tama na, mamapasama.
Me and my channel want to help you.
Yes.
After the storm and through the cleanup. So this is for you.
You sure?
I 100% sure.
Sure, sir?
Thank you.
Already?
Opo.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This is a great help for us.
Thank you very much. I hope this can help even a little bit, because when you're positive and you stay positive, it helps to motivate the people around you to be positive, because it's very easy to find negativity during negative things, and negativity breeds negativity, but positivity breeds positivity. And you can see that with as much destruction went on, everybody around the house is smiling while they work.
Yes, smiling pag no, wala.
So I just want to thank you very much for your time and for everything.
I hope you like the Philippines.
I love the Philippines.
Yes, I am Malia Refe, and I'm from Iraya Norte, UAS Albay.
How have you and your family managed to stay strong during these tough problems, like the typhoon?
Actually, naging positive lang po kami. As a family po talaga. Parang kailangan po talaga namin magsama-sama. Even po, the past typhoon, hindi po kami parang nawawala po, ganyan po. Kumbaga, nagtutulong-tulong po talaga kami as a family. Kahit po ganito yung situation namin during the typhoon, nilalakasan lang po talaga namin yung loob. And dahil po kay God.
What gives you guys hope during these difficult times?
Actually, being a Filipino po, parang naging resilience na po talaga kami. Kumbaga, yung mga past na typhoon, naging lesson na po yun sa amin. And kumbaga, yung pamilya ko po talaga is yung hope po talaga namin.
Pamilya muna. If you could share one message with the people around the world about life and the spirit of the Philippines and the Bicolano, what would you share with them?
Uragon po talaga kami. Even some days na talagang sobrang hirap na ng mga panahon na wala kaming makapitan, wala kaming guidance. Nandyan po talaga yung pagiging resilient and urago namin. Kumbaga, natural na po. And si God po talaga yung kinakapitan namin during these tough times po.
Now, my last question for you is, what do you think the rest of the world could learn from the strength and fighting spirit of the Filipinos?
Siguro yung matututo po sila dito is talagang maging po tayo sa kalikasan. Kumbaga po, these days po kasi, hindi na po talaga na napapangalagaan yung kalikasan natin. And I just want you to be aware na yung natural disaster na to is talagang natural and hindi na po talaga siya kumbaga inevitable po siya. Hindi na po siya maiiwasan. Pero as a concerned and as a Filipino po, parang matutulungan po natin talaga sila as kailangan po natin pangalagaan yung kalikasan, of course, and magtanim po talaga and bawasan po yung mga pagputol ng puno. Kasi yun po talagang makakatulong kung paano po tayo ulit makabangon sa ganito pong sitwasyon.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much po.
Good luck during the rest of this rainy season and with the remaining cleanup that you guys have to do after Christine. My channel and myself want to give you guys something that hopefully can help you guys with repairs and whatever things that you guys need.
Thank you so much. Thank you po.
You're very welcome. Good luck.
Thank you po.
What is your biggest concern right now after Typhoon Christine?
Ang pinakailangan po namin yung tirahan, kabuhayan, at sa pang-araw na pang kain. Yung mga po, yung gamit namin, lahat na bahay, doon po kami nakatara sa
How have you managed to stay strong during these problems?
Siya, amang Panginoon, pinagdasal lang po ako para makaligtas po kami ng nanay ko sa ng tubig po. Tinubig po kasi dito eh. Opo, tinubig kasi lumabas dito. Nagtakaw kaming dalaw ng nanay ko, pumunta sa mataas na. Doon nga po kami naumagan sa sa sasakyan. Lang yung baha kasi gamit tubig po dito.
If you could share one message to the people around the world about the fighting spirit of the Filipinos, what would your message be?
Ko lang ko sa mga kapwa ko Pilipino, tatag lang niya ang buong manalangin sa Panginoon para lahat ng magabayan ng mga tao sa uwas.
If you could describe the spirit of the Filipinos when it comes to hope during natural disaster and staying strong, what would it be?
Kami po kasi po yung mga Pilipino, una, nanalangin muna sa Panginoon. Inaano ko lang yung kapwa ko baga nag-re-evacuate na manalangin sila para bigyan sila ng sa gabay namin na yung sa loob nila. Mabigyan ng bagang sa isip, nila, pamaisalba yung kahit di na yung magamit, basta yung buhay nila.
Ate, I want to thank you for your time from our channel and the people watching. Thank you for staying strong. Thank you for continuing to give other people hope. And thank you for being positive.
Maraming salamat din po. Thank you.
Makano?
200.
200? Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
What are your biggest concerns right now?
Ngayon po, yung amin na malinisan na po itong aming lugar. Kasi ano po kami sa yung lanod, yung lapok. Halos yung namin, yung baha hanggang dito, dyan sa loob ng bahay, ang dami pa. Dinalabas pa.
What gives you hope even during these difficult times?
Kahit ganito po, so ay importante po nakaligtas po kami, buhay. Yung mga gamit, kahit yung mga gamit wala na, nag-dive na sa tubig, at least buhay po kami. Go on. Bicolanos are resilient. Ibig sabihin po yan, kahit anong pagsubok, kayang-kaya namin. Katulong ng mga yung mga tumutulong po, sir.
Why do you think the Philippines sometimes is perceived as a dangerous country?
Kasi po yung dangerous kasi minsan kami po like sa amin, nakatira kami malapit sa ilog. So kapag nag-overflow yung yung ilog, magkakaroon po kami ng baha dito.
Not dangerous from Mother Nature, but dangerous from the people and crime.
Ay sa amin wala po ditong masyadong crime dito sa aming lugar. Sa Was Albay wala po masyado ditong crime sa tao. Matulungin ang mga tao, mga taga Bicol, tulungan po kami. Nagtutulong-tulong.
I have one last question for you, Ate. If you could describe the Filipino spirit, the Bicolano spirit.
Bicolano, siguro yung pagtutulungan. Nandyan yung nagtutulungan kami. So kung sino yung wala, tulong-tulong para maiangat din po. Yun po ang Bicolano. Mga Oragon. Oragon kami from Bicol.
From us to you, I hope that this might help.
Opo, salamat po ng marami. Salamat po sa channel ninyo. Salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
God bless. Good luck.